Searching for car insurance requires preparation. Whether you apply for a quote online or offline, you will need to provide the insurance company with some basic information about yourself. While application questions will vary from insurer to insurer, there are some factors that every insurance provider considers when calculating your premiums. Insurance companies request this information to make an accurate assessment of the risk you present to them. Using the information you provide, an insurer can determine the probability of an accident, as well as how likely you are to pay your bills on time. Here are 13 things any insurance company will need to provide you with a quote. Your driver's license number. Without a permit or driver's license, it is illegal to operate a vehicle. Insurance companies use your number to verify that you are who you say you are, and to verify the status of your driver's license. Your social security number. This is used for identity verification, as well as for credit checks. The ownership status of the vehicle. You will have to specify whether you rent or own the vehicle. The vehicle's make, model, year, and VIN number. This information can be found on the title of the vehicle. How the vehicle will be used. Will the insured automobile be used primarily for business or personal traveling? Credit history. Insurance companies use your personal credit history to gain insight into how well you have been able to meet your financial obligations. A poor credit rating raises the risk levels in the eyes of an insurance company. The type of coverage you prefer. The state-required liability is the most basic coverage you can buy. Liability only covers the other driver when you are at fault in an accident, and you will need to purchase additional coverage to be compensated for any damages or losses you may incur. You should know beforehand if you will comprehensive, collision, or uninsured motorist coverage. Zip code. Have you ever wondered why online quote boxes always start with just the zip code? It's because this is one of the first things car insurance companies use to determine your rates. Location is important for a number of reasons. If you are in an area where there is a high rate of accidents, crimes, auto thefts, break-ins, etc., your rates will be higher than if you were in a more statistically safe area. Your marital status. Being married can reduce your insurance costs. Your age. Younger drivers are more likely to be involved in an accident, and are therefore charged higher rates. Driving history. You may be asked about any recent moving violations or traffic accidents. Try not to withhold any information. Insurance companies do follow up on your answers, and they can't find out if you've had an incident pretty easily. As the old saying goes, honestly is the best policy. Your auto insurance situation. Do you currently have coverage? You may be required to tell how long you have had an active policy with your insurer. You may also need to know the coverage limits on your current policy. And just like with your driving history, insurance companies have ways to verify the information you provide. If your insurance has elapsed recently, it's better to be honest about it up front. Any insurance company can deny you coverage if they feel that you have provided dishonest or misleading information. Your policy deductible. In addition to knowing the type of coverage you need, you will also need to know how much you are willing to pay up front before your insurance provider pays on a claim. The higher your deductible, the lower your annual premium. Your email address and phone number. When applying for a quote online, these two pieces of information may be used to contact you. You won't be signed up to any mailing lists, and you will only be contacted by a licensed agent. Finding a car insurance plan online can be frustrating, especially when you don't have all of the requested information handy. Use this list and be prepared when you apply for your next plan. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.